Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download Halifax bank statement. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and of course go and type in halifax.co.uk, as you can see how I did it here. Then you need to go and log in with your credentials or register if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and how you can go and download a Halifax bank statement. So now I'll be switching to the steps that are step by step. So first of all, log in and access the account as I already told you, and go and click on, as you can see, your accounts, and then click on every day. As you can see, click on current account. Then what you need to do is step 3 is statement options. So go to the statement options and download or view the PDF. So you can do of course both. Then here we have again these statement options, which you can of course go and scroll and see just what statements were. You can select the range and submit. So basically you want it from, let's say, the 1st of January 2023, as you can see here, until the 31st of the same year. So you want basically yearly, of course, range. Click PDF, click submit request, and download will then be successful. You'll then get it, and that's basically that. If you want it on your home address, it will come in 3 to 5 working days over paper. So I will be getting the camera off so you can see that also the last step. And that's how you can actually go and do it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.